Namaskar friends, welcome to another video lecture on multisim tutorial. In today's session, we are going to learn how to prepare three-phase AC source in multisim. So let's begin the session. To start with, we'll go to this component toolbar and we'll get a three-phase load. So there is no direct three-phase load available in multisim. So what we will do, we will prepare a three-phase load. So we'll go for a resistive load. So in resistor, any random resistor we can take. So we'll take 3 resistor because we want to make three-phase load. Now we'll go to sources. In sources, we'll go to power sources. We require ground, so we'll take a ground. There is AC source, so we'll click on this AC source and we will take 3 AC source like this, and that's it. Now we will rearrange the circuit. So we have rearranged all the components. Now we are going to connect the circuit with each other. We'll make this V1 volts as supply phase of R. So we have arranged this circuit in this manner. Now this V1 volt will become the R phase. So we will label it as R phase, and the rest of the quantity will be as it is, but we want to go for 50 Hz supply, so we'll change the supply voltage, and 100 volt is fine for us. So 100 volt 50 Hz supply. So this is our R phase of 100 volt RMS and 50 Hz. We'll make our Y phase, so we'll label it as Y. We'll go to value, change the RMS value to 100. We'll change the frequency to 50, and we want Y phase to be 120 degree apart from R phase. So we'll go to this phase and we'll change 0 to 120. So we'll place 120 over here, and that's okay. Now we'll go for the B phase. So we'll change the label as B. We'll change the magnitude to 100 volt, frequency to 50 Hz, and the phase difference of B phase from R is 240. So we'll place 240 degree and press OK. So our R phase is on 0 degree, Y phase lags it by 120 degree, and B by further 120 degree. So we can call it as 240 degree. Now we will connect this circuit. So here it is. The connection is ready. This is known as three-phase star connected supply, and this is a three-phase star connected load. This supply system is known as three-phase three-wire supply system. In our upcoming videos, I am going to share some details about star and delta connections of supply. So if you want to know more about the star and delta connections, you can watch our upcoming videos, and I will provide the link of that video in description box once I am ready with that video. But here we will run this simulation and observe the three-phase supply waveform. For that, from this right hand side, we will take this 4-channel oscilloscope. For this we require a separate one more ground, not separate but one more ground. We'll connect a ground, connect A channel to R phase, B channel to Y phase, and C channel to B phase. We'll change the color so that it will be easy for us to differentiate between the waveforms. So we'll make it yellow, and the third one blue. So we are ready with the connections, and if you want to know how to use this 4-channel oscilloscope, I have prepared a separate video for this 4-channel oscilloscope, and the explanation is given very well in detail and in depth. So the link for that video is also provided in description box. You can watch it later on. Right now we are going to open this and run. Stop, drag it little back, select channel A, change the scale, select channel B, change the scale, select channel C, change the scale, place it to AC, and there we go. This is our three-phase supply voltage. So it's very simple. If you want to prepare three-phase supply voltage in multisim, this is how you can prepare this three-phase supply voltage, right? There are many videos on multisim tutorial. Over here you can see the link for that various videos, the tutorials I am providing on multisim, so you can have the benefit of it, or the link for that multisim tutorial playlist is provided down in description box. In upcoming videos I am going to share details about the star and delta connections. So that's it from my side in this video. Until you watch our next video, till the time, bye bye.